In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the aerobics text effect in your design. To get started, open your design if you already have one prepared, or create a new design from scratch. This gives you a workspace where you can edit and style your content. If you're starting fresh, make sure your canvas is set up the way you want before moving on, since that helps the text effect fit more naturally into the overall look of your project. Once your design is open, select the text you want to customize. This step is important because the effect will only be applied to the text box you actively choose. If you have multiple text elements in your design, take a moment to confirm you've clicked the correct one. A lot of editing issues come from simply having the wrong element selected, so it's always worth checking before you continue. After selecting your text, click on Effects. This is where you'll find different styling options that can instantly change the appearance of your text without needing to adjust each detail manually. The Effects panel is especially useful when you want to give your design a more polished, dynamic, or eye-catching look with just a few clicks. From there, go to Advanced and click Aerobics. This applies the aerobics effect to your selected text, giving it a distinct visual style. Once it's applied, take a second to look at how it fits within your design. Depending on your layout, font choice, and color scheme, the effect may stand out differently. So it's a good idea to view it in context rather than focusing only on the text itself. If the result looks a little different than expected, that can be completely normal. Text effects often interact with your font style, text size, and spacing, so the final appearance may vary from one design to another. In many cases, larger text makes decorative effects easier to see, especially if you're creating something like a title, header, or social media graphic. And that's it. You've successfully applied the aerobics text effect to your design. It's a quick process, but it can make a big visual difference when you want your text to feel more energetic and stylized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.